Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and comfort with the Trademark Innovations Portable Folding Sports Seater Bench. This sideline collapsible bench is perfect for sports events, camping trips, or any outdoor gathering where seating is a must. Designed to seat 4 people, this bench is both strong and durable, yet incredibly lightweight, making it the ultimate portable seating solution. When set up, it measures 60 inches long, 18 inches across, and 18 inches high, providing ample space for everyone to sit comfortably. Manufactured by Trademark Innovations, this bench is engineered for easy transport and storage, thanks to its convenient carrying case with a handle. Whether you're cheering on your favorite team or enjoying a day in the park, this folding bench ensures you have a comfortable place to sit. So, gear up for your next adventure with this versatile and practical seating option. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.